Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Vechain. What surprise chain is occurring on the Vechain. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Guys, Vechain is a profitable coin. Everybody knows that, but a lot of people ask me question that why Vechain are not going to hit a $1 USD. Guys, be patient, be patient. Absolutely, we can have to going to hit a $1 USD, but it takes time. Now you can see here, if we talk about the price changes occurring in the Vechain, so every day, every hour, every week the changes is positive, but not getting profit. Guys, the price of Vechain is very low, and guys, they takes time. So guys, if you're a holder of Vechain, if you wanna, if you are a holder and if your target for Vechain is a $1 USD, so you have to wait for 2-3. If these kind of changes continue, so just 2 months, you have to wait for a $1 USD. But if normally changes continue in Vechain, so you have to, at the last of 2021, the price of Vechain will be $1 USD. And guys, I'm not sure about that. I'm not sure. That's just a prediction. That's just on the basis of technical analysis I told you. I'm not sure. Maybe possibilities that in the future the price will badly decrease. Possibilities, my friends. But think positive. Anyways, let me show you the price chart. Guys, the August month is a good month. You can see here, especially in a whole month, in a whole year, August month is really a profitable month for all investors, for all holders. Really, a lot of coins are taking a quick pump in the August month, so this is really a profitable month. Never miss this month, guys. That is really a huge opportunity with all of you, so take benefit from this opportunity. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more updates and news videos.